And it was so cool to see how excited so many of them were to actually have their own little computer that they can take home and it's theirs, and they can connect it to the internet if that's okay, or they can continue working on their programs in Python if they want. We play around with GPS with it. You can actually make music with it. There's all sorts of stuff that they can actually do, but now they can because they didn't have a machine at home. So even if they were interested in learning more, they didn't really have an outlet to do that. So that's been probably the biggest surprise to me, is just how excited they were to have that door opened up.
It's the summer between my sophomore and junior years of high school that my mom signed me up for the GenCyber camp, and that kind of gave me that focus from engineering to something computer engineering. And some people don't consider computer science to be engineering. They're wrong. I mean, I think more than anything, it's like you could call it software engineering, if anything. But yeah, GenCyber really piqued my interest in computing, for sure. Maybe not like, so the security side of it isn't necessarily directly related to what I'm studying, but it's what got me interested in computers. So the initial time I came was for the beginner camp. I came again the next summer for the advanced camp, and now here I am again.
I really liked cryptology. I think that's what it was called, where you were decoding things. I think that was my favorite thing that we did this week. And I think I could see myself actually doing this. Like, at first it was just something my mom signed me up for, but really it turned out to be like a lot of fun and educational.
Once you get into it, it's really addictive. When you get something to work, and that makes you want to get something else to work, and so on and so forth, right? So being able to like sow those seeds for someone else is really cool. Like, I mean, I was just in there earlier, like something really simple that can keep a program from working. Like, I tell people that debugging is always the hardest part, like fixing a program when it's broken, because it could be the smallest of thing. Like, the girl I was helping, it was a semicolon, or it was a colon. Yeah, it was a colon. Like, one colon, there's a difference between a program working perfectly and not. So yeah, it's cool.